My backyard is getting redone. I thought we used some cool things. This is the whole view, if you can see. Now I set up some cool challenges in the pool. See what they are. Okay. Well, I did. So it's kind of now. Oh, I might find some more. Okay, I found two more. So I'm gonna get all. This is my first challenge, a really hard challenge. I'm gonna try throw this until I break it in half. Isn't it? So ready? I'm gonna try. Which part should I try to get it on? Nope, I didn't break it. And please subscribe, especially if you're new. And please like this video. I can't do that. Wait, I'm gonna try to bang it on this until I break it. I'm gonna try a different piece. I can't do that challenge. I failed that challenge. Okay, so this first thing, you bet I can rip this concrete. You bet it. Wait, oh, I ripped this off. I ripped the piece off. Well, let's try to rip it in half. Oh my god. Oh my. That was amazing. Now I'm going to try a little harder piece. See? Oh my god. I'm pretty good at this. This I have to rip this off. Oh, it looks like cement under. Okay, so this. Okay, now I'm just gonna rip it. Okay, that's all good. Oh, this is the tiles on my pool. These are the tiles. Wait a minute. Wait. So now I'm just gonna show you some other parts and wrap up this video. Okay, so these are roots. They look like I was just in an avalanche. Some roots over here. Cool roots. Now I'm going over here. You can see there's this jackhammer hole. Pretty cool. I'll show you. Look in there. It's underground. Wait, I think I see the bottom of your house. Oh, so now I'm gonna go to here, this part. You can see that's how we drain the pool. One of the workers' wallet fell in there. That's funny. So that's all ripped up. That's all ripped up. They put doors on my wood on my parents' windows, and so it didn't break. And no pieces got it. I'm just gonna show you their tools. Then we're totally done, guys. So look, this is their jackhammer. Now let's go. Look, these are all their pickaxes, their shovels. Look, the pickaxe. Ah! Bye.